just think SUI ends up in the top 10 and Solana ends up in the top 3. It's just simple as that. Look, I don't think anything's changed. I produced a huge piece of research in Global Macro Investor this month, my research service, and everything points to the same thing. Liquidity is coming. Now, you can see it in the stock market. The Nasdaq's going up, but crypto's been heavy, and I don't know for what particular reason it's been heavy. I don't know. For some reason, it's heavier than other assets, but nothing in my work suggests otherwise. On the asset management side, on Exponential Age Asset Management, XPAM, we hear the same thing, and I hear it from everybody I speak to, is people are waiting for price to go up before they come back in. So in this weird world where price is flat, that doesn't bring anybody in. So something has to change. Stock market's going up. Tech stocks are going up. Liquidity's going up. China's starting to print money. The US are cutting rate. I mean, what more do you need? So it's a matter probably of just patience.
The SUI token underpinning the SUI Layer 1 network continues to threaten rival Solana. Like Solana and Ethereum, SUI network deploys highly functional smart contracts, allowing developers to build a world of decentralized applications, DApps, that offer services ranging from finance to gambling. SUI processes transactions much faster than Ethereum. While Ethereum has a theoretical maximum throughput of 119 transactions per second (TPS), SUI developers claim it is capable of reaching a staggering 297,000, thanks to its ability to process multiple transactions simultaneously. Despite its promises, SUI Network's support level has continued to decline throughout 2024 and was significantly reduced by the cryptocurrency crash on August 5th. Since then, rising support, green line, highlights the token's strength above $1. However, a drop in the relative strength index of 48 indicates selling momentum that will likely limit the token's rally at its current price. It's too early to tell if SUI Network can dethrone Solana as the leading Tier 1 altcoin, but it has a long race ahead of it to get there. SUI faces stiff competition from other major Tier 1 altcoins such as Toncoin, Cardano, and Tron. According to Raoul Pal, SUI might become even bigger than Solana. Before we move forward, if you want to stay updated with the latest crypto events and news, you can subscribe to our channel and like this video. Now let's get back to Raoul Pal's view on Solana and the overall crypto market.
The scarcity is not the tokens. The scarcity is the attention. There's only a limited amount of attention. There's 500 million active crypto wallets of how many active people in crypto, how many active people in meme coins. So right now, let's say there is 1 million active people in meme coins. 1 million people have to put their attention, and what they tend to do is focus attention where other people's attention. So Murad tweeted about a bunch of tokens, they all go up because everyone's desperate for the banana zone and they want, so attention moves around. So even though there's 10,000, none of those get attention. The real game is capturing the attention. So then if you capture the attention and then the liquidity continues to kick in, I think China's got another press conference coming out shortly, tomorrow or something else, to talk about yet more measures. Well, then the attention focuses, tokens start going up, other people come in, they start chasing meme coins, then people go out the risk curve. Well, if that dog token's going up, then I'm going to buy this dog token. That starts pushing up, and then the game is played. It always plays out the same way. So your attention is still a bit split, but you're kind of seeing who the winners are going to be in the meme coin cycle. Obviously, there'll be new ones. So the attention is focusing, and now you need just the other catalyst to just push it, and then everything blows.
The post-election rally has brought new optimism to the cryptocurrency sector, fueled by Trump's pro-crypto stance and supportive policies from the Federal Reserve. Investors are hoping for regulatory relief, which has allowed top altcoins like Ethereum, SUI, and Solana to make significant gains. Analysts are predicting an upcoming banana zone phase, where rapid growth in key tokens could propel the cryptocurrency market towards a $10 trillion market cap by 2026. With so much at stake, the next few months could shape the future of the crypto space. Crypto market expert Raoul Pal has made some interesting predictions for altcoin fans, saying that the long-awaited altcoin season has finally arrived. In his latest analysis, Paul shares his top picks for altcoins that could see explosive growth in the coming months. Paul believes Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin in the current market cycle, thanks to better regulation, increased usage in DeFi, decentralized finance, and increased adoption by traditional finance, TradFi. While a $20,000 price target for Ethereum may seem bold, Paul sees Ethereum as the main player in the upcoming altcoin season. With its continued network upgrades and expanding DeFi ecosystem, Ethereum is poised for massive growth, and Paul expects it to lead the way. Solana has been quietly gaining traction, and Paul expects it to take off in the next phase of the market. With high on-chain activity and a solid ecosystem, Solana has even recently outperformed Bitcoin. Paul notes that Solana is on the verge of a major breakout and predicts that it will soon break out of its wedge pattern and soar during altcoin season. Solana is definitely one to keep an eye on. SWI is another altcoin that Paul is particularly excited about. He sees huge potential in SWI and compares it to Solana before its rapid rise. With limited supply and high demand, SWI is primed to attract attention during the next bull market. Paul calls it the chosen one of this cycle, and its unique traits could drive its value to new heights. Although Paul is primarily focused on Ethereum, Solana, and SWI, he hasn't forgotten about the crypto world. Cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Doge, could see another surge, fueled by community hype and enthusiasm. Paul suggests keeping a small portion of your portfolio in these high-risk, high-reward assets if you're feeling adventurous. With active institutional participation, the development of Bitcoin ETFs, and improving regulatory clarity, Paul believes that crypto market is primed for a transformative bull run. He encouraged newcomers to join now because waiting too long could mean missing out on substantial gains. Bitcoin's recent all-time high of $79,000, reached over the weekend, since surpassed a traditionally quieter period in the cryptocurrency market, suggests that small retail investors are buying, a positive indicator as it shows widespread interest. Additionally, $280 million worth of bearish bets were liquidated, marking a high level of activity and a strong upward shift in market sentiment. The election result could well lead to more favorable regulations for cryptocurrencies. If the Bitcoin Act is passed, it would position Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset similar to gold, paving the way for institutional acceptance and attracting more capital to Bitcoin. If the new administration reconfigures the SEC, including the possibility of replacing SEC Chairman Gary Gensler, that could also lead to looser regulation. If the campaign promise of a Bitcoin reserve in the United States comes true, 200,000 confiscated Bitcoins would be consolidated, signaling the government's confidence in Bitcoin and potentially increasing its market value. Other promises include positioning the United States as a hub for Bitcoin mining, emphasizing the use of domestic energy sources, and providing regulatory clarity within 100 days. These measures could foster innovation and give the market the stability it needs.